Welcome to Nick's Finance, the place to go when you need astute financial advice. We're delving into the nuances of a subject that speaks to all of us in today's video: how to buy a house. As we reveal the keys to becoming a successful house owner, tension is in the air. This comprehensive book is designed to help anyone, regardless of experience level, understand the intricacies involved in purchasing a property. Come along on this exciting adventure as each viewer takes control of their own destiny to purchase a property. Let's open the doors to your future house right now. Understanding your budget and financial situation. Understanding your finances and budget is the first step towards making a successful purchase in the complex process of buying a house. It is imperative that you set out on this path with a clear understanding of your financial situation. Start by evaluating your present financial situation, including your income, spending, and outstanding obligations. Examine your credit score, which is important for getting a good mortgage, and get into your savings. Gaining a thorough awareness of your financial situation gives you the ability to create a reasonable budget for the house you want to buy. There is more to affordability calculations than just taking your income into account. Potential down payments, closing fees, real estate taxes, and homeowners insurance must all be taken into account. This all-inclusive strategy makes sure you select a house that fits within your budget and that you may have a pleasant and long-lasting experience as a homeowner. Financial advisors can provide insightful advice on how to best optimize your budget for a mortgage that smoothly fits with your financial objectives as you move through this stage. This thorough preparation in knowing your financial status and budget sets the stage for a more seamless and knowledgeable home buying process, ultimately guiding you towards a property that not only meets your demands but also comfortably fits within your means. Researching the real estate market. When buying a house, one of the most important steps in the process is doing research on the real estate market. It entails a thorough analysis of numerous variables that may have a big impact on your investment. The current property values in the area you have in mind are an important factor to take into account. Through the examination of recent sales data and trends, you can obtain important knowledge about the dynamics of the market and determine if it fits within your budget. It's also critical to investigate neighborhood dynamics. Your entire living experience may vary depending on the unique features, amenities, and community moods of various regions. Evaluating a neighborhood's closeness to important services, employment opportunities, and educational institutions can provide you with a comprehensive picture of how well it fits your needs. The state of the market is a major factor in when you should make your buy. Pricing and negotiating tactics may change depending on whether the market is a buyer's or seller's market. With a lot of available homes, a buyer's market may provide better values and more negotiating leverage. Having this knowledge gives you the ability to make wise decisions. Researching the real estate market is an investment in your future, not simply the here and now. By remaining up to date with current market trends, property valuations, and neighborhood dynamics, you may put yourself in a position to make wise investments that complement your desired lifestyle and financial objectives. Finding the right mortgage. A crucial step on your path to homeownership is figuring out the maze of home financing. During this critical stage, selecting the ideal mortgage is essential. There are many different types of mortgages, and each has subtle differences and repercussions for your future finances. It's crucial to comprehend the nuances of interest rates, lending conditions, and mortgage types. Getting the correct loan, one that is suited to your particular requirements and financial circumstances, is more important than simply getting a loan. Consider the advantages of shorter or longer loan periods. Investigate fixed rate and adjustable rate mortgages, and understand how your credit score affects the interest rates that are accessible to you. You'll be able to make well-informed selections with the help of our in-depth guide, which will guarantee that the mortgage you select fits in perfectly with your long-term financial objectives and provides a solid basis for your road toward homeownership. Recall that choosing the correct mortgage is essential to creating the house of your dreams. It's more than simply a financial deal. Engaging with real estate professionals. Involving yourself with real estate experts early on in the house buying process will guarantee that you have a solid support system to help you navigate the intricacies of the market. The choice of reliable people, such as real estate brokers, inspectors, and lawyers, is essential to this procedure. As an ally, Your real estate agent uses their knowledge to steer discussions and find houses that fit your objectives. Inspectors are essential at identifying possible problems in a home and giving you the knowledge you need to make wise choices. Furthermore, having a knowledgeable real estate lawyer on your side guarantees that all legal nuances are handled with ease throughout transactions. Putting together a group of experts who share your goals and interests is not only a smart move, but it is also essential to turning your house buying process from a challenging undertaking into a successful and well-directed journey. Exploring potential homes. In your path to purchasing a home, the stage of looking at possible properties is both exciting and important. This is a period of opportunity, and imagine yourself in many settings for the future. Pay close attention to elements that fit your interests and lifestyle when you tour different neighborhoods, visit open houses, and assess properties. Observe each home's general condition, design attractiveness, and structural soundness. Now is the time to consider how important things like being close to facilities, schools, and your place of employment are. As you look around, consider how each room might be customized and how it might fit into your everyday routine. Never be afraid to clarify things, ask questions, and consider each property's long-term possibilities. Recall that selecting the ideal house requires striking a balance between sentiment and reason. Take your time, follow your gut, and allow the research stage to lead you to a place that genuinely feels like the ideal fit for your future. Making an offer and negotiating. When you get to the important stage of negotiating and making an offer, that's when the real dynamics of buying a house start to show. Now that you've done extensive market research and found your ideal house, it's time to express your interest with a strong offer. This is a delicate dance, and dexterity and planning are essential. Start by making a bid that is both realistic and competitive, taking into account the worth of the property as well as your financial limitations. Communication back and forth with the seller is a common part of the negotiation process, so knowing how to handle these exchanges is crucial. Successful negotiations cover more ground than just the acquisition cost. Negotiation points such as contingencies, timetables, and possible fixes can have a big impact on the contract. This is the phase of the house buying process where the knowledge of your real estate agent becomes invaluable. They can help you navigate the complexities of the negotiation and make sure your interests are adequately represented. As you proceed through this stage, keep in mind the value of reaching a mutually agreeable middle ground. Making a win-win offer and negotiating strategy is more important than simply obtaining the greatest possible bargain. Finding the ideal balance in this situation facilitates a more seamless transaction and establishes the foundation for a satisfying homeowner experience. So, with your newfound knowledge and adeptness at negotiating, enter this crucial phase of buying your ideal house with assurance. The closing process and beyond. The closing process and beyond denote the last stages in obtaining your ideal home as you near the end of your home buying process. Meticulous attention to detail is essential throughout the closing process. You'll complete the documentation, making sure that all the financial and legal details go together perfectly. Obtaining homeowners insurance is another step in this period that is necessary to protect your recently acquired investment. After closing, the adventure changes rather than ends. Moving into your new house and having to handle further homeownership responsibilities follow. This stage requires ongoing attention to detail and dedication, from knowing your mortgage conditions to maintaining your house. A seamless transition from buyer to homeowner is ensured by carefully navigating the closing process and beyond, laying the groundwork for a successful and rewarding chapter in your life. Congratulations on reaching this pivotal milestone. As we come to an end of our exploration into how to buy a house on Nix Finance, we truly hope that this video has given you the knowledge you need to start your home buying journey with assurance. If you have any other home buying advice, feel free to update us on your journey or share tips that you think may benefit other viewers. Also, if you think these tips are helpful, please hit the like button, subscribe to our channel for more financial advice, and share this wealth of knowledge with those who are eager to learn how to become homeowners. Your encouragement keeps us motivated to provide top-notch material. I hope your future house buying endeavors bring you prosperity and fulfillment until then. We appreciate you coming to Nix Finance.